Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Nothing and Casetify case collaboration. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $72. Let's take it to the website. Here's how it's going to look. Now this is available for all of these different iPhones. Okay? You can buy it for the Galaxy, a few different ones. And you can buy it for the Pixel 7 and 6. Now, for the iPhone, you can buy it as a bounce case with maximum protection. You can get an impact ring stand case, or you can get the impact case or the mirror case. Let's go through the features real quick. Nothing and Casetify, the perfect collaboration that you did not see coming with limited availability. Embrace a new era of technology with cases that champion Nothing's iconic approach to smartphone design, even if you don't have a Nothing smartphone. Sustainable, yet protective. Tech lovers, this one's for you. Okay, now this looks pretty sick, okay? And that's pretty much it. Okay, so I got the iPhone version. Let's go ahead and check this out. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Now, if you watch my channel, you've seen a few other Casetify collaborations. Y'all remember I did the Street Fighter? Okay, I had another Street Fighter with the Chun-Li kicks. I actually sold that one. We got the Dragon Ball Z. Look at this. This one right here was kind of crazy. Don't forget the Star Wars that actually moves. Come on, bro. Casetify be doing it so big. And we had another Star Wars also. I got a bunch of Casetify collaboration cases worth every penny. Now, if you haven't seen a Nothing phone, this is what it looks like. The glyph lights on the back. Let's go ahead and light those up. Why not? You know, get the dramatic effect for the video. Okay, so let's do the glyph lights. Bang. Okay, let that ride right there. Here we go. Nothing and Casetify. Now, this presentation right here is beautiful. The same Nothing font. Did we see it on the front? Let's see. Yeah, the Nothing font. Okay, Nothing in Casetify. You see the little red dot, like with the Nothing earbuds? Attention to detail, I love it. And here we go. Check this out. The Nothing and Casetify collaboration. We'll start off with this one. Now, this is an impact case. Okay, MagSafe compatible. Little plastic on the inside. Let me see if I can get this out of here. Hold up. Bang, here it is. Now, look at this. This is so dope. Now you can turn your iPhone into a Nothing phone. Y'all remember when I did the Nothing phone video? What was the key phrase to take away? Glyph, bitch. Same thing. Now you got the glyph lights. Okay, let's go ahead and slap this on. Okay, now this is that EcoShock material. Y'all seen the test already. Has a nice textured feel on the back. Iconic Casetify logo. Make sure you let everybody know you got a real case. Let's check the resivity on this one. It is Slamboy certified. Let's check the buttons. There's your buttons. Let me try MagSafe. Now, this is one of my favorite MagSafe accessories, the little Casetify wallet / stand. Okay, just in case you've never seen this one, this is an actual wallet. So you can drop your driver's license and credit card in there. MagSafe it to the back of your phone. And then when you go somewhere, sit down, watch your content. Okay, this is pretty dope. So MagSafe works. Let's check wireless charge. Okay, hold up. There it is. There's your wireless charge. But most importantly, now you got the Nothing glyph lights on the back. Let's see any detail on this. It does say Nothing. I love that textured feel though. This is pretty sick. All right, this is the perfect way to troll all of your Android friends. All right, shout out to the Apple Mafia. This is pretty dope. This is pretty dope. All right, so let's see one more. Okay, now this is another. This is the mirror case. Okay, let's see on the inside. MagSafe. Okay, this one has the thick rubber sides. Okay, made from recycled phone cases. The Casetify upcycle program. Let me grab another iPhone. Okay, we're dropping on titanium. Now this one is if you don't really want the glyph lights, but you just want the Nothing branding on the side. Oh, you can actually feel this. Kind of has a textured, feel that pattern on the back. This one is pretty sick. Let's check MagSafe. Matter of fact, I got some more MagSafe. This is another one of the accessories I use. You see this little ring? Check this out. Look how strong that magnet is. All right, it's a little ring right here. But this is what I use this ring for. I like to close it, slap it on, and you can spin your phone. All right, so when I'm sitting at the table, my phone be spinning like this. And if you get a good spin, it'll spin like this for about 10 minutes. This is kind of crazy. But the MagSafe does work, extra strong magnets. Let's check wireless charge. There's your wireless charge. There's your buttons. Okay, let's see on this one. Big cutout for your action button. Let's try the buttons. Okay, nice juicy press. Okay, all of the cutouts line up. There's your razivity. So it is Slam Boy certified. Now I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. Check these out. Okay, this is something totally different and unique. And that's what I'm all about. I love this. Look how dope this looks. This is fire right here. It actually looks like the lights are on. Now, these are actually lights right now. It kind of looks like the lights are on. I like to leave my Nothing phone with the lights on just like this. The Nothing Casetify collaboration. Casetify is so dope. Let me show you something one more time, just in case you didn't see it. Do you see the Star Wars case? Now, I wish I had my Chun-Li case. Maybe I'll find a little clip for it and edit that into this video. If not, it is what it is. Y'all seen that one before. But it was Chun-Li with the lightning legs. I love that case. But I only had it for the iPhone 13, so I sold it with the phone. But the Dragon Ball Z, this one does the same. Look at that fireball. Look at that. I like these cases that actually move. Again, the Casetify logos on each. And if you want to keep it nice and clean, they got a bunch of other collaborations, like the Star Wars. This one is real simple. Okay, this Street Fighter right here, it's a lot going on. Okay, you see Ryu, Dhalsim, Blanca, Chun-Li right there, Ken doing a little uppercut, Zangief with the winning pose. They even got the Lexus. Y'all remember the Lexus in the back? This is for the 35th anniversary. EcoShock material on this one. But it's all about the Nothing. All right, the Nothing Casetify collaboration. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these, and let me know would y'all rock these and troll your Android friends. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat was allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah. One more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.